Susie. This is our second time staying at the Swahili House. An impressive old building with spacious, comfortable rooms, beautiful decor and rustic style. The rooftop bar offers some of the best views of the city, with a delicious food and drinks menu. There is also a small pool on the rooftop which is perfect for cooling off and relaxing. The hotel is conveniently located right in the center of Old Stone Town, in walking distance to all the best locations and points of interest. The staff are friendly and helpful. I would definitely stay here again. Experience the authentic charm of the Swahili House in Zanzibar, Tanzania. Nestled in the heart of Zanzibar's historic stone town, the Swahili House offers a truly enchanting experience for travelers seeking a taste of authentic Swahili culture. With its vibrant colors, intricate woodwork, and traditional Zanzibari architecture, this boutique hotel is a testament to the rich heritage of the island. From the moment you step through the ornate entrance, you will be transported to a bygone era of elegance and charm. Boasting 22 beautifully appointed rooms, the Swahili House provides a sanctuary of comfort and tranquility amidst the bustling streets of Stone Town. Each room is meticulously designed to reflect the local culture, featuring hand-carved furniture, traditional textiles, and local artwork. With a range of room types to choose from, including standard, deluxe, and family rooms, there is a perfect accommodation option for every traveler. Check-in at the Swahili House begins at 12 p.m., allowing you ample time to explore the vibrant surroundings before settling into your room. The friendly and attentive staff will be on hand to assist you with any inquiries or requests, ensuring a seamless and personalized check-in experience. And when it's time to bid farewell to this enchanting retreat, check-out is at a leisurely 10 a.m., allowing you to savor every last moment of your stay. Families traveling with children will find the Swahili House to be a welcoming haven. The hotel's child policy allows children between the ages of 0 to 12 to stay free of charge, making it an ideal choice for a memorable family vacation. With its central location, the hotel provides easy access to a myriad of attractions and activities suitable for all ages, ensuring that everyone in the family can create lasting memories.